Do you want to know how to make money online in Nigeria without any investment? I mean, zero money spent. Stay hooked to this video because I'll show you my hack and you won't pay 1 naira for it. Now, let me show you what some of my students are making from this make money online opportunity that I want to show you. So, if you see yourself joining this group of guys that are making money, then stay on and let me show you my secret all for free. So, if you're a student, you're a working class, or anyone that is interested in making between 50 USD and 200 USD or more every month, then watch this before you jump off. Actually, I have quite a number of secrets that I can show you on how to make money online in Nigeria depending on the kind that you think is good for you. For instance, I have secret hacks on how to make money in dollars, in pound sterling, or in Nigerian naira. But there is none of them that you will just fold your hands and the money will be rushing into your bank account without you doing anything. You must be ready to learn and perform simple tasks. Now, I made my first 100 USD and I withdrew it back then in 2016. From then till now, I have explored several other make money online opportunities and I've made money in all manner of currencies. But as far as I'm concerned, that first way I made my first $100 is the easiest of them all. It's not the most profitable among them, but I think it's the easiest way for you to start making between $50 to $100, $150, up to $500 or thereabout, at least every month. And even my students testify that this method I'm talking about is still the easiest way they all made their money online. So what I did was to compile a comprehensive course, not just a random YouTube video, but a course on how you can make money using this method that I'm talking about. I've sold that course to over 40 students already, but I will be celebrating my birthday this month, so I felt, okay, what can I give you guys? And I felt I want to make this course just for free, at least for about a week or thereabout, just as a way of me giving back. So I've created a playlist for this course on YouTube. They are all short explainer videos where I show you step by step how to make money from selected UK websites, answering surveys and playing games online. Now, these are not your regular random YouTube videos. These are gems of a training because I took my time to take you through each of these steps one after the other. If you have tried to make money from surveys and you have failed in time past, or you couldn't withdraw your money from the survey platforms, or you could not even find surveys or tasks to do on those websites or whatever, or maybe you don't even know anything about making money from surveys, then please watch all of this series in the playlist now that I am giving it out completely for free. The link to that playlist is in the video description below this video. If you ask my student, I am selling this course for 20,000 naira, but I am charging you 0 naira within the next few days, and I've made the lessons public for you guys. So jump in, learn, take action, and start making your money in pound sterling and withdraw into your UBA account, your Access, your GT, or any of your local bank accounts. The link to that playlist will be in the video description below this video. Please share this video massively on your social media handles to people that you think will need this kind of videos in a time like this, and I'm sure they will forever be grateful to you. I believe you will want to see more amazing videos from me, so if you are not a subscriber to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the alert bell so that YouTube can notify you when I release other amazing videos like this. Thank you, and I'll see you in the course.